This is a very difficult decision. Popcorn soup or hot cocoa? I think we're going with the hot cocoa today. Gotta be careful with this stuff, it's really hot. Alright lads, start off this video right. Can't really call it ASMR coffee time if it's hot cocoa, am I right? But damn, that is good. Today's video is sponsored by Dafsky. And if you don't know who or what Dafsky is, they are an online store that sells air fresheners for your car. They have the best quality and price starting at $2.99. So let's take a look at some of their products. Here are some of the air fresheners that Dafsky sent out to me. And as you can see, they have a massive range. And this is only just a little amount of what they have available. I love that they have a huge variety, and not only do they cater towards the JDM space of the car scene, but they also cater to other things like the UDSM space. So guys, head to Dafsky.com and grab yourself some air fresheners for your ride. Trust me, they smell great, they last long, and once again, best quality at their cheapest price of $2.99. So what are you waiting for? Once again, head to Dafsky.com, grab yourself some air fresheners, support the companies that support me. I would not be able to be doing the things that I'm doing with the shop that I have now if it wasn't for companies like Dafsky. So thank you, Dafsky, and let's get on with the video. So welcome to tonight's video where we are here at Daikoku PA. And if you don't know what Daikoku PA is, it's pretty much just this really famous car meeting place for car enthusiasts that's existed for a very, 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 very long time. And young people have always met here with their friends, and they're, you know, hanging out, meeting here before they kind of go into the togeys and all that kind of stuff, or just if they want to hang out with like-minded people that love cars. It's just a car enthusiast hotspot, if I guess that's the best way to describe it. Anyways, we're here to check out some cool cars. I'm not expecting it to be super busy tonight though, because there is a state of emergency right now. There's curfews and everything, so we do actually have to leave here in about an hour and a half to make sure we get home on time. But there is definitely still some cool cars here that we can go check out and say hi to some friends that are here as well. So let's go do that. This shot here is killing me because there's two cars here that I would literally die for. White R34 GTR V-Spec on Nismo LMGT 4 wheels with R35 Brembo brake upgrades. And then you have this NSX, the older version with the pop-up lights. I don't like the newer NSX, the one that doesn't have the pop-ups. It's my favorite one. Both in white. I'm a big sucker for white, but definitely when it comes to the 34, my first preference is midnight purple for sure. But damn. Can't say I've ever seen an NSX with mixed match wheels too. I doubt this guy's drifting it, but he's probably just got a bunch of wheel sets that he switches around between. Such a nice, clean NSX. Definitely drooling over this one a little bit, guys. Put down in the comment section if NSXs are like on your top 10 car list. Definitely on mine. Now let's take a quick look at this 34. It's running a titanium Midori Sevu. How do I pronounce that? I can't think of it in my head right now. You know what I'm saying. Midori Sevi, I think is the correct word. Titanium exhaust there. Those 35 GTR brakes look so nice. Might be hard to see. Oh yeah, no, you can see it on camera. Very, very clean. And of course, still got that nice bottom lip there. Very clean 34 GTR. All right, let's keep moving along and see what else we can find. It's nice midnight purple. No, that's like a, I think it's like a dark red. I can't tell. Hang on, we got to get closer to this to really know what's going on. No, it is midnight purple. Love the wheels. What are these, CRKs? Just like a metallic red? I think so, yeah. Really nice. Well, that's a nice touch. The FRP over fenders with the Sylvia badge kind of there. It's cool. Oh man, this is even really cool. So he's obviously replaced the lenses at some point, and he added Sylvia in there in red letters that matches the wheels and the Sylvia logo. It's caged. Oh, it's got one of those new Recaro FRP seats. Very cool. Bye. Tomoya and Emi-chan are here. Mata ne. They're heading out now. Damn, that was a cool shot. Love that car. Whew, it's cold. There's a really nice lineup of S15s here. I might go chat to them in a little bit. But I wanted to check out this Porsche over here. Definitely looks really nice. Now the lights along this row here always do trippy things to colors. So from the back it kind of looks like a purpley pink. And you come into the front here and it kind of looks a bit red from the lights, but the camera makes it look crazy pink right now. Really, really cool. I'm a huge fan of like the older 911s. Really nice. I dig that a lot. And then up here, I think I saw an American car, but I don't think I've seen over here before. Nice convertible BMW. Mercedes. This thing. It's a Cadillac, right? Left-hand drive. Convertible. Interesting. This is the first time I've ever seen anything like this over here. Huh. There you go. I've never seen this car before in my life. Let alone here in Japan. That's kind of blowing my mind. Interesting. There you go. American cars are really starting to become more popular over here. Got this nice lineup of S15s here. This thing's clean. Looks like a really like just clean and unmolested Type R. It's cool. Factory paint too by the looks of things. Nice. It's got a one of those pink Vertex Brid collaboration seats in there too. Nice touch. Nice silver one here on some I think LMG T3 wheels. This one's really clean too. Man, it's so hard to find clean S chassis these days, especially S15s. Really nice. This red one we've actually seen before. It's got a 1J in there. Ooh, really nice FC rolling in. Of course, Workmeisters. Love that. You guys know how much the Japanese love Workmeisters on their cars. Pretty much on anything. This thing's like a really nice pearl white. That front aero, I don't think I've seen that before. What is that? It's nice. And then here's the red S15 sporting a 1J VVTi. It's pretty cool. Using the stock manifold with just like a little J pipe there. Might be hard to see. Yeah, I don't think you can see, that's too dark. Still, it's cool to see people doing J swaps over here. NA SR20. It's an Altezza for all the people who keep complaining I don't put Altezzas on the channel. This is a pretty important piece to have on the NA motors. I think, I don't know, they're not called expansion tanks, but there's some official name for this. But the way that it's shaped and designed just really helps airflow for the NA motors. Gives it a unique sound too. Really cool. Ooh, old mate popped the hood for us. I'm about that. Yeah, really clean Type R. Whew. Why'd I keep calling Type R? Spec R. I get that mixed up all the time. It's really clean. Just super basic mod-on bolt-ons that just really work well. Know what I mean? Let's have a look. Ooh, nice little Epson. What is that? It's like an EF or something, right? Some cool cars rolling in right now. All right, all right. Here's this FC that just rolled in. Thing sounded really nice. Looks like he's just had a lot of body work done, so the outside paint is fresh, and there's still a bit of like the sanding powder, like the residue left on the engine bay, he was saying. Really, really nice. Nice big single turbo down there. Yeah, man, FCs really are like definitely my favorite out of the RX-7s. Sorry, FD guys. Very cool. Kakui desu. Looks really good with the fresh paint right now. Oh. What are these taillights? Are these series? No, I can't remember what series they are, but the round ones are the ones that I love the most. Looks so good. I think that's elbow. What do we got here? Laurel C35, not too bad. These things are such good cars. The same same suspension setup as an S chassis, so you can literally like put S chassis knuckles and subframe and stuff on them. Actually, a lot of people over here tend to SR swap these, believe it or not. This thing's cool. Is this the blob eye? I know the difference between like the GC8s and the bug eye and stuff, but this one is the blob eye, right? Love the wide body on that. It'll look cool when it's all painted. Let's get a good look at this. Got the Mugen kanji on the front there, I think. It's cool. Computers by Epson. I don't think Epson makes computers anymore. They can stick to printers. Actually, I'm pretty sure Epson make like a lot of like microcomputers, like chips and stuff like that still. This is really clean though. Yeah. I really do dig this old style Civic because like just how much glass is in the back here. It looks really clean. I love that. Really nice. And the old school Epson livery really is cool. That's pretty sick. More American cars. No, no, please come back, please come back. No, damn it. Ah. All right, I'm not so sad about the Evo leaving now because there's a Miku-chan BMW convertible rolling in. Yee yee. Yeah, okay, this thing's pretty sick. There's something about Miku on the side of a car that I'm all down for. So good. He's running RS2 Advan Yokohama wheels too. Very, very cool. I dig that a lot. For how quiet it is today, there's definitely a lot of cooler cars here than what I was expecting, that's for sure. Nice 35 GTR. What's this, like an Evo 10 rolling in? Nice. This is an Altaza here. I don't think we saw this. Or did this roll past us before up the back and then maybe he came up here? I can't remember. Not bad though. It's running a Brid bucket seat. Got some Wed Sport wheels. Big fan of those. Not bad. It's pretty clean. Huh. I have to admit, I don't really see any Aristos here anymore. Used to be a lot of them. Ooh, I just found a super clean Z32. Let's walk up here and have a good check at this. Can't really tell from here, but it looks like it's maybe sitting on some SSRs. 5-spoke. Really nice and clean. Kind of like a dark blue. I love that. It's nice. These cars don't get enough attention, honestly. Really clean. Yeah, that's a nice example of it. Z32 or Z32, however you want to call it. Isn't it funny how there's like all these different variations in English depending on where you're from? These things are cool. Whew. Don't think I've ever looked in the back of Ferrari before. Where's my umbrella go though? Jeez. So I guess this would be like the intercooler here then. Wait, hang on, I'm really confused. Or is that an airbox? I don't think these are turbo, are they? I don't know. This just proves how much I know about supercars, guys. I'm sorry, I'm a Japanese guy, like Japanese car guy, through and through. Very, very cool though. All these guys here kept popping open their hoods, so I decided to pop mine up before. There's a few people all going and checking it out right now. Oh, he's even got the light out. Oh boy, oh boy. Better go make sure they're not, oh wow, yeah, they got a flashlight out, man. They're inspecting my bay. It is so dirty in there. Does what it does well though. The worst thing about coming here in winter and trying to film is just how numb your hands get from holding the camera. Like I'm struggling to close my fingers like this right now because they're so stiff and cold. But holy grail, looks like a spoon replica Integra Type R. This thing's cool. Oh, that's cool. He's done the rear window and a little bit of a touch-up. Is that strike witches? Yes! Hell yeah, love me some strike witches. Good anime series. Dude, this is sick. It's on Rudnick's favorite wheels too. RPF1s. Not bad. Canards look nice on that too, actually. I dig that. That's a really cool car. Kudos to you, whoever made that. Love it. Yeah, I think that's kind of it for tonight. I don't really see much else here. Once again, obviously, you know, restrictions, COVID and all that stuff are like crazy here right now, so everyone's staying home, and it's pretty much, I gotta leave in the next 5 minutes to make it home on time, so I'm not overstaying the curfew. But yeah, interesting. We're gonna jump in the S15, hit gate, and head home. So I just started leaving, and this is where Elbow actually ended up. I was wondering where he went because we saw him roll in, and he's been here the whole time. He's getting a snack. I think he's heading to Umi Hotaru after this tonight, but this thing looks so good with his new lip. Get a look at this. Look at that. Damn, she's looking fire. You happy with it? Yeah. Hell yeah. Very nice. That yellow and pink does look really good together though. Love it. The city looks so good. It's hard to see through here, but I love how all the highways in Japan are literally like above ground and risen. You get to see some pretty cool like city lights and views and stuff like that. Like, look at this through the bay there. So beautiful. Anyways, I know you guys only want one thing, and it's disgusting, but here it is. So pretty much everything right now in Japan, you have to order takeout. You can't go sit at a restaurant at all. And this is Japanese takeout. This is tonkatsu, and it is incredible. Look at this, rice. We even got oh, pickles. It's like pickled vegetables here. And check this out. I cannot wait. And they included a special tonkatsu sauce as well. Just got back home, and check it out, guys. We've got another waifu on the wall now. I decided it wasn't fair to just leave Rem-chan up there by herself, so I got Emilia there as well. But that aside, I do want to just say a massive thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you who left a comment and showed your support yesterday. I was honestly blown away, and it was incredibly overwhelming to read all of your comments. It's crazy, and it's just gotten me even more excited for what's around the corner and where we're going with the channel, and just the SAMMIT brand in general as well. Yeah, I'm overwhelmed, and it feels so good to have such an incredible audience, and yeah, give yourselves all a nice pat on the back. Anyways, that aside, if you want to know how to support me, the best way is to head to sammit.net, grab yourself some merch. We do still have only some of the larger sizes for the Ichigozoku shirt, and we still have a bunch of sizes left for the JZX 100 Reasons to Drive shirt. Plus some of the older drops and stuff are still available in certain sizes, so definitely jump on that, guys. Once again, sammit.net. And with that, lads, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Smash that like button, write us a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all then. Peace out. Ciao, mata.